Assalamu alaikum and good evening to all of you. This is Engineer Amanullah with you. Today we are on the site of 8 stories commercial. Size of the plot is 60 by 90. We are pouring concrete for raft today. Raft is 2.5 inches, 2.5 feet, yani 30 inches. Shuttering work is almost completed. They are now checking the level of the shuttering work. Concrete pump is here on the site. In one hour or 1.5 hour, concrete will be started. So I will give you a brief overview of the project and explain it to you with the help of the drawings how we have done this work. So let's see the drawings first. This is our drawing for raft reinforcement. You can see from here bottom reinforcement plan. And also layout, you can check it from here. There is one excavation there will be for lift, then some pit, and there is one firefighting underground water tank, 12 by 12 and height is 6 feet, and there is one underground water tank. Its size is also 12 by 12 and 6 feet. 6 feet is height. You can check, you can pause this video and check all the columns locations. To explain the column, the rebar to you, here you can see this is 6 sutar means 20 mm rebar at 10 inches spacing, and this rebar is also 20 mm at 10 inches spacing. So we will check the this thing we will check at site, this excavation for lift, and also I will show you rebar plan of this one, and this sump pit, these two tanks, this we will check. And now we come to raft reinforcement plan. Raft reinforcement plan, I will hold like this one. Raft top raft reinforcement plan of the raft. On top it is from here you can check, it is 20 mm rebar at 7 inches spacing. Bottom it is 10 inches and top it is 7 inches. Same here it is 6 sutar yani 20 mm rebar at 7 inches spacing. This we will check. From here you can see raft thickness is 30 inches. Then all these are columns plan. One thing we have done, piling work. Piling I will show you in another video, or you can check on this channel. We have 35 piles. Diameter of the pile is 2 feet, and then there are spiral 3 sutar yani 10 mm spiral rebar, 8 bars of 8 sutar, and 4 bars, there are 4 bars of 6 sutar, yani total 12 bars. This we have done. Depth of the pile is 45 feet. This is the thing to be noted. Then all these are this is plan of the beam. These are pile layout. This work is already completed. Then this one is for lift. This one is already done, and this one is done. This one, to make the video short, I will not explain this one. These are cylinders to be filled from concrete for testing. See these cylinders. and this is concrete vehicle. It already arrived here. The portion which is ready, we will start from there. So now we are down on the raft. As we have seen in the drawing, there is bottom mesh, and bottom you can check. This is 20 rebar at 7 inches spacing, 10 inches spacing. Sorry, bottom was 10 inches. You can pause this video and go back to this drawing and check it. And this one is top mesh. This one is also 20 and at 7 inches spacing. So all of this is done like this way. Here one thing to note, here is that you can see these bars are at smaller spacing. It is because here column will come. Where there is column, you can check from drawing, there are 10 feet extra bars. So these are extra bars. You can check there. It is a 10 inches spacing. Here this spacing is 5 inches. So these are extra bars. This is how they have done building earthing. This conductor, it is 70 conductor. It is welded. It is actually thermal welding. Those who have done an earthing, they know about thermal welding. This rod, it is 20 copper rod, and it is 10 feet. 10 feet rod. This one is thermally welded with 70 conductor. Then this conductor is spreaded in all of the plot. It is connected to all the columns. Then one cable from here, this one cable, this one is not proper joint. We will joint it properly later. This is just for support. It will go to the top, and this will be connected to the lightning arrestor. So when there is thunder, this lightning arrestor will catch that thunder, and it will ground it through this conductor and all the structure of the building. So this is progress until now. I will show you each detail. Here you can see these are the bars of piles. There are 35 piles. We have done it. So these are bars of the pile. So I will show you each and every detail on this project, and you will, after watching all these videos, you will be able to know about all the civil, mechanical and electrical work and plumbing work. All the details will be shared with you. All material, this material, the rebar material, is we have purchased it from Itihad mill. It is located in I-10 Islamabad. Those living in Islamabad in construction industries, they know about Itihad steel. It is quality steel. Raft is not clean yet. We will clean it before pouring concrete. And this quality of the bars are these are deform bar. All of those who work in construction, they know it. So all the details will be shared with you. This one is excavation for some pit. That one is for lift, as I have shown it to you. These are tanks. So all other detail will be shared with you, inshallah. Thank you.